Her Excellency Miss Jane Marriott, British High Commissioner to Pakistan, called on Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmad Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, at Air Headquarters, Islamabad today. Several key areas of mutual interest with special focus on technological collaboration, joint exercises, and the evolving regional security situation were discussed. The Air Chief accentuated the cordial relations that exist between the two allies, while highlighting his unwavering commitment to elevate the existing synergistic partnership between the two countries. He highlighted the ongoing modernization drive of Pakistan Air Force aimed at transforming PAF into a next-generation Air Force and reiterated his resolve to develop fully indigenized solutions to meet PAF's operational needs. Referring to the historic partnership between the two nations, the Air Chief said, "The ever-evolving regional and global security situation, accompanied by the changing dynamics of air combat, demands an enhanced partnership between Pakistan and the United Kingdom. Both nations hold strong strategic and historical ties, firmly rooted in mutual consensus on all important issues of regional peace and stability." The British High Commissioner lauded PAF for its befitting modernization plan and the promising indigenization efforts under the current leadership, appreciating PAF's strides in modern technology facilitated through National Aerospace Science and Technology Park and the latest advancements made in the fields of technical training, infrastructure development, and smart inductions. The esteemed High Commissioner expressed her keen desire for enhancing the existing mutual collaboration in the technological domain. She also expressed her great admiration for NASTEP, being spearheaded by Pakistan Air Force, and said that the model is worth emulating. Both sides concurred to optimize the existing military-to-military and Air Force-to-Air Force ties between the two countries, with emerging technologies and operational competencies being the points of focus. The dignitaries also discussed the exploration of new avenues for joint military training and exchange programs, with an aim to facilitate the exchange of expertise, enhance interoperability, and foster closer ties between air forces of both the countries. The meeting signifies a resolute commitment of both nations to reinforce their strategic partnership, fostering military collaboration and promoting robust relations between the two countries.